Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2009 Mercedes-Benz SL 550. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 5.5 V8 with 384 horsepower and 391 pounds of torque. 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. Tan leather interior. Burl walnut trim. Coming around back, power liftgate, retractable hardtop, clean set of floor mats, alongside heated and cooled seats, memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, hard keys for a media display, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, our button for our retractable roof. This SL 550 has 70,621 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this SL 550, visit us at feldmanimports.com.